Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to practice the octave passage from Rondo alla Turca by Mozart. First, you shake your hand, right hand, several times. Make sure your thumb is initiating. Kind of you throw your thumb a few times. Make sure the whole entire. So next, you're going to place your middle finger on any black key, and then you kind of relax your arm and balance yourself on the black key. Balance yourself means make sure you have your arm weight on the key, and then you can kind of feel the sense of balance on the black key. And I want you to go from the right side, go circular, go down and up, down and up. If you go sideways, so. But notice, I am literally attacking my thumb on the piano, and in the moment that attack, kind of you see the shake, little shakes. So that's what we want. So do slowly, and I don't attack from here. If you attack from the really way up high, you're gonna injure your thumb. So you're gonna be really close to the key, and then like really just the way you shaked your hand few seconds ago, you're gonna shake your hand. So. Sorry. So you to do, literally my thumb is initiating the motion, circular motion. So it's the same same circular motion, but now you're going to be using thumb and then pinky. Down, up, down, up, A, A. Let's try together. A few times. Then relax. Then we're going to do slowly, by not losing the circular motion. You're going to play. Notice I am doing very slowly. It's okay to make mistakes. It's important that... Sorry, I made lots of wrong notes. But it's important that you keep the circular motion. Circular.